This video will show you how to monitor students' progress on an assignment while it's active. Most students earn a bronze medal after their third attempt, so it's important to keep an eye on the number of attempts a student makes to ensure that you provide intervention at the right time. First, select the class by clicking the upper left-hand corner and finding your class name from the drop-down list. Then click Class Assignments. All of the assignments you've set will appear in chronological order, with the most recent assignment appearing first. When you click an assignment tile, assignment data opens to the right-hand side. If the assignment due date has not passed, you will be able to edit the assignment. If the assignment due date has passed, the only thing you can do is reassign it to certain students. You can also download an Excel spreadsheet to give you a summary of student data. This will tell you how many times they've tried an activity and what their best medal earned is. Below those links, you see a circle graph that gives you an overview of your class performance. The outside circle tells you how many students have earned a medal and how many have not, and the inside circle tells you the medal level that the students have achieved. Below that, you see individual student attempts. Under each student's name, you see the number of attempts that they've made. You need to keep an eye out for students who've made excessive attempts and have still not achieved a medal. Rory has tried 3 times but has not earned a medal. Students who have not tried the assignment yet show 0 attempts and a hash mark inside the badge icon. I'm going to meet with Rory to provide intervention since he's tried 3 times and has not yet earned a medal. Ashley needs to try 3 times before I provide intervention. Please contact us at support@mangahigh.com if we can help you monitor student progress and number of attempts for an assignment that you have set.